I'm Tapan Chakravarti. I'm the head of the Department of the Interior Architecture and the Product Design Department. Interior design basically means how to make a place look nice, feel nice. The major crux is how to make a place work well. So it's a very functional thing. And we are putting a lot of emphasis on that. In Pearl Academy, we have got the opportunity to continue what is known in architecture as a studio-based learning process, where we actually don't have lecture rooms and labs, but you have a place where you dwell and you basically learn by working on a project which is like a simulated project of a real situation.
Pearl was actually the only college which is providing us interior architecture. We have decoration courses in others, and some of the institutes have a furniture design one which is converted into interiors now, but this was one which had interior and architecture together. This was Bahadur Shah Zafar's last palace, it's the Summer Palace. He wanted to be buried here. So I have planned a retail and a restaurant. So basically all the glimpses of the Mughal era, the best of the food, Mughalai food, retail, fabrics, and then performance area which has Sufi performances happening. So people coming there, they can just have like a glimpse of the past.
For my research paper, I researched on the essential qualities that lend to the contemplativeness of a space. And from that, I realized that one, this element of contemplativeness is really lacking in our design, our architectural, spatial design in today's scenario. People are more bothered about the functionality, which is important, but the experience of the space is also very much important, which is sort of neglected. And also I realized that in Delhi, with the ever more dense and active environment, we're sort of losing space for breathing spaces. So I wanted to incorporate that in a general urban scape. So I have proposed a site for contemplation.
I took a night shelter as a theme. Rain Baseras is it's what is called on the buses in Delhi. So what I did was I took the Blue Line buses, which are like taken off the roads of Delhi and no more running. So I thought that why not make a homeless shelter in there, because it's nothing but a metal scrap. So why not take it on to use and provide a shelter for the poor people. So that's what I did, and I fitted 27 sleeping chambers inside the bus. So the person can just hop in the bus and they can sleep in the particular chamber. So because we say कि last में बंदे को क्या मिला, 2 गज ज़मीन ही चाहिए होती है सोने के लिए. So that was I thought.
In the cities, a lot of renovation is happening, a lot of interior work is happening. And I think you can actually build a great career out of doing interior work, especially in the cities. Shops, hotels, restaurants, residences, apartments, flats, lifestyle centers, lots of different interior spaces, different environments that our students can enter into. I think there's a huge amount of opportunity, a huge amount of potential. I mean, I think we're only touching it. It's only going to grow and grow, in my opinion.
The best thing about Pearl is the faculty that they have. They actually come from a very good background, from very good colleges, and they share their experiences with us. Plus the workshops that they get, this guest faculties, that's again amazing. They're like the best people working in the field right now. So they share it with us, like how did they get to their designs, which are actually the best ones right now in Delhi.
I am really thankful to my mentor, because this is not an office design, this is not a residence design, it's not a very straightforward design. It's almost at a spiritual level, and there needs to be a lot of freedom to be able to think on those lines, and I think that could only be given at an institute like Pearl.